Hello, my name is José Dominguez. I'm from Spain, and I'm the 3D model making lab technician at AIU. Here we have different technologies, and one of them is the 3D printer. This is a digital fabrication process, so we generate a file, a 3D model. The machine transforms this object in different layers. Using a plastic filament, it will construct layer by layer all the object until the end. So here we have the AIU logo as an example of the whole process. It's a very exciting opportunity to come here and have the possibility to materialize your ideas using all these equipments. We have CNC, laser cut, 3D printers, and you know, it's very difficult to find all those equipments in just one place, and we have all of that here at AIU.